My name is Mark Anderson. I am the co-founding chair and CEO of the wonderful company called Pattern Computer, which we just call Pattern. And Pattern is becoming pretty well known because we appear to be the best at explainable AI at a time when it's important, because there are so many failures now cropping up with LLMs and other forms, neural networks of AI. So we have used this proprietary system to make great discoveries, which we're here to sell and license, including 7 new drugs against the top 5 cancers, which we did with this proprietary pattern discovery engine. And we have a new device called Prospectral, which the Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory has just published a paper upon, saying it may be disruptive and perhaps the best diagnostic device ever put together. We're very proud of it. My background includes taking a couple of degrees in biology and biochemistry at Stanford. I have spent my entire adult career life looking at pattern recognition in a scientific way, which has allowed me to understand that there was a lot more available in the design of compute systems than had been put together. And so we made a complete new architecture for computing, new mathematics, new software, new stack, for the sole purpose of finding patterns, for doing pattern recognition, and making what we call pattern discoveries. Many companies, thousands of companies today, are called AI companies, primarily because of the gigantic wave of interest and investment and innovation, maybe in what are called large language models. We think that these hallucination-prone models are dangerous, in fact, should not be used in real medicine, meaning in diagnostics or medical plans. So we don't call ourselves an AI company anymore. We just say what we are. We are a pattern discovery company. And that includes being perhaps the best at explainability and transparency, which will be the next steps after the big furor and bubble over AI is done.